customer. I have every right. Let me go.
May karapatan din ako dahil pag-aari ko ang bar na to. Nanggugulo ka eh. Nadadama yung ibang customers. Kaya mabuti pa umuwi na ho kayo.
You can't tell me what to do.
Tita Ronnie.
Amber.
Dumating na kayo.
Sweetie.
Ano ba na ginagawa mo sa sarili mo?
Wilfred, I can't get rid of our photos. I just want to keep them forever.
What photos?
Maybe this is a good time to tell her.
Tell me what?
Like I said, Ronnie is drunk, okay? She's not making sense. Huwag mo siyang pansinin. Let's go, let's go.
No, but Wilfred, parang hindi ka na mag-guilty. It's not a big deal anymore. Patay na si Joy. Hindi na siya masasaktan.
What exactly are you talking about, Tita Ronnie?
Amber, I already told you. She's drunk, okay? Don't pay any attention to her. Tara, let's get you home.
No, even if I'm drunk, I know what I'm saying, Wilfred.
Ronnie, let's go home. Please.
Amber! Your dad and I had an affair nung buhay pa yung mommy mo.
Ate, sorry ah. At hindi ko naman alam na nandito pala si Ronnie.
Crystal, hindi mo naman kasalanan yun. Mauna na lang kami.
Panira kasi ng mood yung Ronnie na yan eh.
Ha? Wala naman na siya. Sinundo na siya ni Kuya Wilfred at ni Amber.
Oh, Bes, yun naman pala eh. Baka pwedeng huwag ka na magpa-apekto doon sa Ronnie na yun.
Alam mo, hanggat sa hindi ko nakikita yung totoong killer, ako talagang sisentensyahan ng mga tao. Kaya naisip ko, siseryosohin ko talaga yung sinabi ko eh. Dennis, ikaw ang mas may kilala kay Joy. Tulungan mo ko. Tulungan mo kung hanapin ko sino talaga yung killer.
Hindi ko alam kung paano. Pero sige, susubukan ko.
O ano, tara na?
Nanon ako ng gani. Ano na kami?
See you, Ate.
Tama ba yung narinig ko? You and Tita Ronnie had an affair while Mom was still around?
Amber, it wasn't an affair. Okay? It wasn't like that.
Wilfred, don't tell me i-deny mo pa.
Pwede tumigil ka na!
Just tell me the truth, Dad! Did you and Tita Ronnie had an affair while Mom was still around?
Amber, sa bahay na tayo mag-usap.
Bakit sa bahay pa? Just tell her right here, right now.
Ronnie! Sa bahay kami mag-uusap ng anak ko!
Maybe I should help para matapos na to.
Ano yan?
Habang hindi pa kayo nagkakaayos ng asawa mo, how about we do a secret second round?